Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our chapter number 12. They learn about Arda from the guide from a novel Around the World in 80 Days. So, as you know, that Arda was going to what weren't alive, okay, with his with her dead husband, okay. Phileas Fogg and the party, they decided to save Arda. They decided to wait till night, okay. At same night they would try to save her, okay. So they moved quietly toward the pagoda. In the dark they could hear the howls of people. They decided to rescue Orda that very night. The guide led way noiselessly. They saw a pile of wood. This was sandalwood fire. The embalmed body of the king lay on the top of the heap of the wood. So everything was ready to make Oda Sati. Okay, the rescuer crept nearer the temple. Crept means secretly, quietly and secretly. They crept there near the temple. Guards were posted at the door, but on the ground all the men, women, children in the drunken stampede. Okay, so guards were there, and men, women, people, all the people, those who were in the procession. Okay, they were there in a dazed condition. Dazed condition means they were sleeping. Drunken stupor means they were in dazed condition. They were sleeping there. The rest. Let's wait, said Sir Francis. May the guards will fall asleep soon. They waited under the tree. Time seems to stand still. The guards were still awake. They were walking to and fro with drawn swords. The guide went no further. So Francis said that let's wait for the guards to sleep, but they were awake. They were going to and fro, and with their swords, the priest who must be watching the victim inside, he stated, all after all discussion, they decided to try the back door of the temple. Then they reached a spot around half past 12. They found to their dismay that there were no doors, no window. Okay, the go went to the back side of the temple. There was no window, no door. It was 12:30. Okay, shall we make holes in walls? San Francis asked, but they had nothing but pocket knife to make hole in the doors. In the wall. They need something. Okay, but they only have pocket knife. They tried to loosen the bricks. Their efforts were going on, but then they heard a noise from inside. There were answering shouts. The travelers stopped. Were they detected? The four returned to the wood again. Now the guards appear at the back of the pagoda. Okay, there were noises, okay, from inside the pagoda. Okay, there were shouts of the people. They stopped and they move uh move back to the forest. Okay, but later on they find out that the guards were there on the back side of the pagoda also. The group was truly disappointed and lost all hope. They decided to save Oda, but all the hopes were shattered now. Should we go back? The brigadier asked. Yes, nothing can be done, agreed the guide, but Mr. Fogg decided to wait till sunrise. Although San Francis agreed with him, he doubted whether they would really be able to save Orda. Okay, so their plan failed to save Orda that very night. Guards were there everywhere, people were also shouting. Okay, so um, what Phileas Fogg decided, he decided to wait till sunrise to save Order. Okay, so chapter is complete. Tomorrow in live class we will discuss the doubts. Okay, and we will continue with 13th and